Skipping dinner, while a personal choice for some, requires careful consideration. Here are 3 succinct tips. Hydration is key. Ensure you stay hydrated in the evening by drinking water or herbal teas. Adequate hydration helps control hunger and supports overall well-being. Prioritize a balanced lunch. Opt for a nutritious and well-balanced lunch that includes lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. A nourishing lunch provides sustained energy throughout the day. Listen to your body. Pay close attention to hunger cues and energy levels. If extreme hunger or fatigue arises, it might be a sign that skipping dinner isn't suitable for you. Always prioritize your body's needs and adjust your eating patterns accordingly. Remember, individual nutritional needs vary, and it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before making significant changes to your eating habits. Skipping meals may not be suitable for everyone, and professional guidance ensures you make choices aligned with your health goals and overall well-being. Whether driven by weight loss goals or intermittent fasting, maintaining a consistent eating schedule, staying hydrated, and choosing nutrient-dense meals are key factors in the decision to skip dinner. Always prioritize your health and make informed choices based on your unique circumstances and needs.